Today, it's all about Dr. SEBI for beginners. I'm going to dig into everything you need to know to start your Dr. SEBI detox and alkaline lifestyle successfully. Stick around. Hey, I'm Timotha Lanae, indie artist, health enthusiast, and a new mom, and I post videos on health, detox, and mommyhood. So if any of these things interest you, please do subscribe and hit the notifications bell. I've been on a detox journey for a while now, and my husband, my parents, and even my 1-year-old daughter have all begun to eat an alkaline diet and to use herbs to heal and to detox. I share me and my family's results using Dr. SEBI products and various videos posted here on my channel. So I'll put a link to my full Dr. SEBI playlist in the description box below so you can check it out after this video. The first thing you need to understand if you're considering starting a Dr. SEBI protocol is the power of using food and herbs as medicine. Dr. SEBI's protocols are all based on nutritional changes and his powerful herbal formulas. Dr. SEBI believes that the root cause to all disease is mucus. Disease manifests in the body where mucus has accumulated. And Dr. SEBI believes that disease only lives in an acidic environment, which is why it's really important to eat foods that, when mixed with our body's chemistry, create an alkaline environment. Eating foods from Dr. SEBI's recommended food list and nutritional guide will promote an alkaline environment in the body and support the body as it heals and achieves optimum health. To learn all the foods on Dr. SEBI's recommended food list and nutritional guide, watch my video, Dr. SEBI's Complete Food List. I'll link it in the description box below. I share all the foods on the list and also give you some meal plan ideas. You can check that out after this video. So I want to dig just a little deeper. If all disease can be linked to mucus, inflammation, and acidosis in the body, all of those things can be linked to a sluggish and stagnant lymphatic system. Now, in my opinion, the lymphatic system is arguably the most ignored and overlooked system in the body. I know I didn't hear about it until I went to a naturopathic doctor who did a natural test and told me that I had a sluggish lymphatic system. That's when I started to research more and more about the lymphatic system. So I believe that it is arguably the most ignored and overlooked system in the body, but also one of the most important and one of the most influential systems in the body. We have millions of miles of lymphatic vessels that run throughout our body interstitially. Interstitially means the space in between and around the cells. The cells that make up our heart, our kidneys, our lungs, all of those organs, tissues, and glands are made up of cells. We are a whole collection of cells. And these lymph vessels run in between all of these different cells. When our cells are working, they're creating waste, and this waste is acidic and it needs to be carried out of the body. And because the lymph system is our body's sewer system, lymphatic vessels are responsible for carrying this waste out of the body via the kidneys and the skin. Those are our lymphatic system's eliminative organs. So in a properly working lymphatic system, the cells will create this waste. They'll go into the lymphatic vessels and be carried out by lymphatic fluid through the vessels and be filtered out through your kidneys and through your skin. But unfortunately, most of us are suffering from a stagnant lymphatic system, and this cellular waste is not being removed from the body at all. Instead, this cellular waste, which is acidic, is collecting in our lymphatic system wherever we are the most genetically weak, and it causes inflammation and mucus to form throughout the body. The lymphatic system is also responsible for carrying out toxins and viral loads and other unwanted substances that are in the body. So all of these unwanted substances and cellular waste are creating acidosis, and that stagnant lymph is causing deterioration to our cells, organs, and glands. So when you eat foods that are acidic when mixed with our body's chemistry, like protein, dairy, and certain grains like wheat, this causes our lymphatic system to become clogged, acidic, and stagnant. So wherever you're genetically weak, that's where you'll have the most lymph stagnation and mucus accumulation. That's where disease will begin to form. The best foods to eat to reverse lymph stagnation are alkaline foods that are on Dr. SEBI's list, but the highest of the high of these foods on the list are fruits, berries, and melons, because they're very hydrating for our cells, and they're also very astringent in nature, and they help to pull the stagnant lymph out of the tissues, organs, and glands. Remember, although some fruits are considered acidic when they're outside the body, when they come in the body and are digested and mixed with our body body's chemistry, they actually leave an alkaline ash or residue behind. So this would be fruits like limes and oranges. A detox diet consisting of only raw fruits from Dr. Sebi's recommended list would be considered a level 3 detox diet and would help to promote healing at a maximum level. So I actually have been on an all raw fruit diet for a while and have had really positive results from that. My husband also just finished 14-week detox where he was on all raw fruit with a little bit of veggies and had amazing results. I'm going to do a video on his results and his weight loss, so definitely subscribe to see that video and his results. Cooked foods from Dr. Sebi's recommended list don't promote healing the way that raw fruits and raw vegetables would. They don't have the same amount of energy. They're not as electric, but they are alkaline, so they won't cause acidosis in the body the way dairy and meat would, but they're just not as powerful. So that's where we need to understand the difference between a maintenance diet and foods that maintain health versus foods that actually promote healing and that are detoxification foods. To learn more about the 3 levels of detox diets, maximum, moderate, and slower detox, and also to understand an alkaline maintenance diet and the difference between the two, make sure to watch my video, Dr. Sebi Meal Plan Ideas, where I go much more in depth about what to eat to detox fast, moderate, or slow, and also what to eat to maintain your health gains that you've achieved after your detox is over. I'll link that video in the description box below for you to watch after this video. If you are just getting started and only have a small budget for Dr. Sebi products, I highly recommend using Dr. Sebi's Bromide Plus Powder. Bromide Plus Powder contains 92 of the 102 minerals that we need. It's high in minerals like iron, manganese, magnesium, and zinc. So I took Bromide Plus Powder before, during, and after my pregnancy, and I believe that it helped me to conceive and also to have an exceptionally healthy pregnancy. I was never deficient in iron while I was pregnant, which they do check for. I believe that that deficiency can sometimes happen with expectant mothers because of the nutritional demands that the baby's putting on the mother during gestation. But I was taking Bromide Plus Powder every single day, which is so high in these important minerals like iron. It's a very complete product that's very nutritive to our cells, and it's also not that expensive. It's $30 per container, and it lasts about 2 months if you take 1 scoopful of it every day. If you did it twice a day, it would last you about a month. Here are some other things that you should apply when you're starting a Dr. Sebi detox diet and herbal protocol. These can be found on the nutritional guide that you receive when you order from the LA office. If the food is not listed on the nutritional guide, then it is not recommended. Drink 1 gallon of natural spring water daily. Take Dr. Sebi's products 1 hour prior to pharmaceuticals. All of Dr. Sebi's products can be taken together with no interaction. Following the nutritional guide strictly and taking products regularly produces the best results with reversing disease. No animal products, no dairy, no fish, no hybrid foods, and no alcohol. Hybrid foods are foods that have been genetically modified. So things like seedless grapes, foods that have been combined to make another food. So surprisingly, things like carrots that were combined with 2 different types of vegetables to create another. Those are considered hybrid foods. Natural growing grains are alkaline based, so grains like spelt. It's recommended that you consume natural growing grains listed in the nutritional guide instead of wheat. Many of the grains that are listed in the nutritional guide, like spelt, have been made into pastas, breads, flour, and cereal. I actually have had spelt pasta, and I also make spelt bread. And those are foods that I would consider maintenance level foods, not alkaline detox foods. I will be sharing some of my different recipes and more meal plan ideas, so stay tuned and subscribe for those. Dr. Sebi products are still releasing their therapeutic properties 14 days after being taken. And Dr. Sebi says avoid using a microwave. It will kill your food. I know that's hard for us. Got to heat things in the stove, go old school, but using a microwave we should avoid. Also, Dr. Sebi says no canned or seedless fruits. Make sure to watch my video, Dr. Sebi Meal Plan Ideas, to get some creative ideas for your detox diet or your maintenance diet, and also to learn the detox diet levels. And watch my full Dr. Sebi playlist to learn more about his products and how to detox using Dr. Sebi's methodology. For support and meal plan ideas and just a community of like-minded people on a health journey like you, make sure to join my new Facebook group. I'll link it in the description box below. And don't miss next week's video, How Do I Know If I'm Detoxed? Please do subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and your family so we can all get healthy together. I am Timotha Lanae. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, God bless, and I will see you in the next video.